If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share. Actually, guys, what has happened this morning just shocked me. Venye niwaambia jana sikuwa na maji actually, so unfortunately I left the tap on. As you can see, nimeamka nimepata maji imemwagika kila mahali. Actually, I'm so disappointed. Najua ingine ishai happen actually. Kuna mtu ashajipata kwa hii situation. So ni kama maji ilikama usiku na mimi sikusikia. So nimefanya kuamka tu saa hii na prepare breakfast. Unfortunately nimepata kila kitu kiko chini, maji imejaa kwa nyumba. Niko na bari ndogo tu leo kwa nyumba yangu actually. So imenibidi nichukue kikombe nichote maji ndio sasa naweza access jikoni kwa sababu maji imejaa kila pale. Hakuna kitu naweza fanya. Lazima nichote maji kwanza actually. Ndio sasa naweza access jikoni, naweza fanya kazi zingine. Bila hiyo hakuna kitu kinafanyika kwa nyumba. Kuna venye maji imemwagika hapa jikoni. Imeenda hadi sitting room actually. Kuna maji hapa chini sana. Kuna maji actually hapa. As you can see, nacheza na hii maji. So, niwaambia maji imejaa kila mahali kwa nyumba yangu. Wenye mnaona naweza cheza na hii maji actually hapa niko sitting room. Nacheza na maji. So, what has happened, but sijapenda. So guys, next time usiache situation happen kama kwangu. So next time guys, kama una maji ume turn on your tap, so make sure before you go to sleep you turn off the tap. So this shit is here. It's happened kwako the way it happened kwangu. Actually I'm just disappointed. So nimedecide nichukue yangu. So nichukue hii ndo nichote maji. Imenibidi situations zinanifanya I need the meditation. As you can see, sufuria pia ina float hapa. Anything are just floating in the kitchen. So even inanibot actually I'm not happy about the situation. Sasa imagine ingeenda huko sitting room. Yeah, imefika sitting room. So as in ingeja sitting room sana. Sita vyombo vyangu vingeharibika. So those expensive electronics actually kama TV. So na TV ingekuwa chini, ingekuwa hapo chini kwa meza. So ingeharibika. So guys, take note on these things actually. Kama kwa tap on next time. Kwa tap on. So guys, kama una maji alafu maji kuja, so make sure you turn off all the sources that.
This is the second time this shit is happening.
Yeah, this is the second time. Actually, the last time.
Actually, at the night I doubted. Yesterday I doubted you guys you leave this stuff.
Yeah, the last time I never took a video because I was just like, what? I was just messed up in the morning time.
You know, I have 3 missed calls from the landlady.
Yeah, actually,
so I doubt I doubt she had the water running.
From the landlady actually. So I think she was trying to tell us that the water is running. So unfortunately we never picked her calls because
I was asleep.
Yes, because we were asleep.
I found
when I just woke up
2 hours ago.
When I woke up, I came direct to the kitchen. I found this mess, so I went to my bedroom. I woke up my hubby, so I told hubby,
so how
see the kitchen, how
will you dry the kitchen actually?
So I've decided to take my cup. Just bend, and then I just.
Will you manage to dry the kitchen using cup?
No, I have to.
For you are not serious by the way.
I have to take this one. Na lazima nichukue maji kumwaga kwa ndoo. Nikishamaliza ndo nichukue damu. Nichukue lasta yangu then I mop.
So at least you use a jug.
Jug.
Yeah. You're not
But
serious.
let me just try. I think when I use the cup, I'll just.
But not that jug.
Which jug? Oh, the other jug.
Yeah.
So let me go and pick the other jug. Okay. This is the jug I'll be using to drain my water from the kitchen. So let me go and just bend over and drain the water. So
You do what? You just do it.
bend over because I'm going
Bend over. Bend over again.
just let me go bend actually. Yeah. So let me just bend it and drain the water. So actually I can see I'm draining the water. I can by the way it makes sense because naona kikombe ningeshika hapa tutai maji. So beba kwanza just nichukue jug chote nayo. Niko na dharau hii maji, kumbe maji ni mingi. Oh, so let me hurry up. As I can see, take it out on my side. I need to rush somewhere actually. Wait, what's the date today?
The date.
Yeah.
I'm not in salary.
So I'm not in salary actually. Today is on the 16th.
Is it 16?
To the clinic actually today.
Oh, today is clinic day.
My today is clinic day. I sent to the clinic. So that's why you see me rushing. So time is not on my side. Actually, basically when we go to clinic, we go in time. So if I delay myself, I'll not find the nurses and doctors there to check on my son. So that's why you can see me rushing. Yeah. I'm trying to rush so that I can finish the water. I can finish draining the water. By the way, ningekuwa na kikombe nimeishi hapa. Maji nilikuwa na mtazamo. But it's nilikuwa na maji mengi actually. Hii maji imejaa kwa ndoo. Sasa maji ningechukua na kikombe, si ningeshinda tu hapa.
Of course, you tell Brian, come and carry this water to the washroom.
So yeah. Brian, that's my little bro. Brian, come and carry. Yeah. Brian will be assisting me. As I drain, he'll be carrying the water to the washroom and pour it. Brian can take it.
Okay. Wow, you have so many.
Yeah, the water is full. You think I'm going to finish? You think I'm going to drain only 2 buckets? Then I mop. Then the water will be out of this place. So guys, this is the jug I'm using to drain the water. As you can compare. So, akilema so as you see, the level imagine nimeshinda tu hapa. So, hii nimeshuta haraka nimejaza ndoo hapo. So mimi vile naona hapa ni ndoo mbili zinatoka za maji. So let me just hurry up so that I can do this thing fast and quick. As I've said actually, today is on the 16th. I'm supposed to report for clinic. Yeah, for those who are wondering why I'm going to the clinic, actually I have a kid. I have a son. I'm married with one kid actually. So I'm also apart from this other business, I'm also a mother. So I have to take a role as a mother. So today was the date issued by my nurse. I have to take my son for a checkup. So actually Brian has decided to help me. And we can also multitask. We can do both. Let me use the cup.
No, you can't use the cup to dry this milk.
But okay.
This is something that you should use just common sense.
Actually, I'm just trying
It will
to
have
learn.
no effect.
Yeah, I'm not denying that. Actually, I'm trying to learn food so we can change.
But for this time, I wanted you to try this place for yourself, so that next time you'll be king.
Next time I'll be king.
Yeah.
So Brian,
Because when Brian is assisting you, you can't feel it.
But I've already started.
You can't feel it. You can't feel it. For real. Because last time you left the tap on, the water was running. And Joshua is the one who dried this place.
But I helped him actually a little bit. So I see you're trying to.
So guys, I'm punishing Madam Mombasa.
So let me just bend over and do this.
This is a fair punishment.
Because I can see you're just trying to punish me.
This is a fair punishment.
It's not fair actually.
For real, this is a very fair punishment.
Let me just bend and then finish draining the water as he has requested that I have to feel it. I think you may feel it.
No.
I may feel actually. Let me just do it. I don't know why I'm denying, and I can feel it actually.
This is a very fair punishment.
Do you want me to cry? I can't cry on the screen. Let me just bring it over. Let me just go over and drain the water. I'm sure you guys may feel. Actually, I feel like crying, but no, I don't cry. Let me just finish draining the water. So, actually, baby, it says you're enjoying the view.
What enjoying?
I'm really Brian is trying to sit me and listen to it.
I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy by the way.
I'm also sleepy. So this circumstance actually brought us this place so that actually you should also bend. Yeah, you feel it also. Because we did the same mistake actually. Last time we did the same mistake. I did not take a video last time. But last time the water wasn't that so many. Guys, as I told you, I'm going to fill the next bucket actually. It says namaanisha imagine kwa sababu ningecheza ningejipata pia na float huko bedroom. Nilipata na float. Ndio niko kwa bed niko kwa kitanda na float kwa maji. Nikiwa kwa nyumba yangu. Guys, don't find the
You see, this is what people from Budalangi experience after every massive rain. So I wonder those people how they survive.
Actually, this was a easy one. So frustrating. Let's go to choke actually. Imagine I've been doing 1 hour doing this. Guys, kumbe calculations zangu zilikuwa right. Naona nimejaza ya pili hapa. Yeah, this bucket is almost full. So from here I'm going to take place. Toka hapa sasa itabidi nitumie dusting. Because that's near. So Brian can go where the water to wash. So the next bucket is to duster. Actually,
Let us start dry this water.
Yeah, it will.
No, this water is too much. This water is too much for that. You have to eliminate mopper can't be used here. So you have to use either duster or a jug.
No, so
but this water is too much.
Yeah,
it's too much for duster.
So you want a jug? You want a jug? So you make that. Imagine mom sana and the electric na jug na mimi na electric na mimi na more. So let me just do the necessary. Kwenye jug na kasana na kwa data na it's just turning round clockwise, anti-clockwise. It's anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise kupeleka maji yako. So venye naona sasa niko almost kutumia hapa. Yeah. Actually guys, simejengo imeisha.
So here now you have to use duster.
Yeah, so now I have to use the duster. I leave the jug beside. So let me just take my duster. Let me remove this jug can from this place actually. Okay. So itabidi pia hii gas yangu nitoe hapa. Yeah. Let me just place it here. Okay. Guys, this is the duster. Najua kuna wale wajui duster, wamezoea moka. Sasa hii ni duster yangu guys. So this is what I'm going to use to drain this water out of here. So let me start. Mapema ndio best. Sasa nianze. Najua sina bei tu sana. Imagine I still use the jug. Use the jug. Bado ni this shit won't happen again actually. I'm just tired. Turning clockwise and anti-clockwise. Sana maana kwa next time I'll be cautious on my things. So let me try.
For me, I don't think you should mop actually. You should just dip the duster and rinse it.
Yeah, seriously.
Because the water is still there.
I'm just doing the duster, then you consume maji na kuona. What are you saying?
I'm saying I don't see the use of using duster to mop. You just dip the duster.
Yes, it was giving the duster. Because in one of them, bado maji ni mop. Halafu. So I decided to dip the duster. Kisha consume maji nachukua na drain kwenda kwa ndoo. Yeah. Yeah. This shit happened last time, but yeah, don't make sense. See, last time I come out with this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't quite sense.
Because this time, you see, even there is water in second.
Yeah. Imagine I mama sijaza actually. So itabidi nikimaza hapa niende mpaka siku tena. Kuna kazi. Tunajaza ndo ya 3. Nasema hata ndio mbili peke yake. Ndio mbili ama moja. Nataka nione. Ndio nasema kwa moja hivi. So just a bit time. Itabidi nizoee sana. Guys, this is how we build the goods. The African way actually. This is the African way of mopping. Unajua kuna wale wamezoea kufanywa kumwagia. Ama kuna mashine za kumwagia sijui.
I don't know.
Actually, yeah, I think so. Yeah. Robots. Kuna robots. Sindio?
Maybe.
Yeah, actually, I see. Maybe just not. Kuna robots. Kwa movie tunafanya kama they just controlled by the computer. Almost done, actually. Almost done.
Maybe next time.
So much. Actually, I'm done.
You are done with the kitchen?
Yes, I'm done with the kitchen. So
you can see now it's okay.
Yeah, you can see it's okay. No magic, actually.
The kitchen is now dry.
Yeah, the kitchen is dry. Water. Guys, nimemalizana na kitchen as you can see. Sasa unfortunately maji ilikuja huko almost kuingia kwa room. So, yani niko na kazi mara mbili actually. So nimetoka kitchen, sasa I have to move to the sitting room. So let me just bend over.
Bend over. Sure.
Yeah, I have to bend and then I'll move. Mama, which times do I have?
Okay.
So let me just mop and finish this work. Okay, maji yake ya leo hapana. Guys, wewe mnaona ndio maji na shida na kama. Ile kazi ya leo hapana. Hii ndio ya ngapi? Yani ninapunguza. Unaona sasa chini. Ningeweza tu kiasi. Singeamka. Ningejibana tu na float. Nafikiri niko kwa swimming pool ndio kwa maji kwa nyumba tu na float kwa nyumba. So, what a day. Actually, this will be my memorable day and a day to recall. Actually, ingekuwa kama shule ningeambiwa na conversation. This will be my first interesting conversation I'll write about. So, hey, I'm just tired actually. Imagine me disappointed. So I have to turn clockwise and clockwise, bend, doing that and that. Na maana kila design lakini imejaishi. Imejaishi actually. Hata mtu anaweza cheza nayo. Tunaona tuna simsukana. So, kazi ni kazi actually. Sasa tunifanye kuanzisha hapo. Nothing. So, now we shall fill my third bucket. Imagine that. But no, not as a woman, we go almost kumaliza. Yeah, kitchen ndio iko. So sasa guys, kitchen ndio napanguza maji na rudi. Unaona inarudi. Mimi napanguza inarudi tu. So nafanya double. Mimi napanguza inarudi on the same spot. Ndio hiyo, I just know. inarudi. I don't know why. It says this place is so flat. Ndio sasa imerudi. Ina settle up. So I have to bend again. I make sure the place is dry. Completely dry. So let me just do the necessary. Guys, as you can see, my kitchen is clean now. I've already drained the water. I've already finished draining the water. So the sitting room is clear. Yeah, you can show my fans how the work I've done actually. Everything is now clear actually, as you can see. So I'd like to thank you for giving your comments. Continue subscribing. If you're new, kindly subscribe, share the link, and continue supporting me. So stay tuned for the next video.